Welcome to Factful Finance, where we're turning financial knowledge into your power move. Have you ever wondered how to start investing, but felt overwhelmed by all the info out there? You're not alone. Gen Z especially is navigating new investment waters. But let's set the record straight. Investing can be your ticket to building wealth. Let's dive into how you can make stocks work for you and get ahead of the game. Now, before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. Remember, all the advice we share is general in nature. For personalized guidance, consult with a financial professional to tailor your strategies to your own goals. So, why should you care about investing? First, it's never too early to start building your financial future. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Let's break down how you can approach investing in stocks, especially if you're just starting out. Step 1. Understand the basics of stocks. At its core, a stock represents a small ownership stake in a company. When you buy shares of a company, you're essentially a part owner, and as the company grows, so can your investment. The key is to pick companies with the potential for growth, but that doesn't mean you should rush into it without a plan. Step 2. Diversification is key. Imagine trying to juggle 5 balls, but you only have one hand. That's what investing in just one stock can feel like. Diversifying, or spreading your investments across different sectors and asset types, helps to manage risk. Think of it like a financial safety net. If one investment drops, others can potentially balance it out. Here's an example. Let's say Liam, a 24-year-old investor, decided to invest all his money in one tech stock. The stock grew for a while, but then took a hit. Had Liam diversified into a mix of tech, healthcare, and consumer goods stocks, his losses would have been cushioned. This strategy helps to reduce the volatility of your portfolio, which is especially important when you're starting out. Step 3. Long-term vision, short-term patience. If you're hoping to get rich quick, stocks might not be the right choice for you. Real wealth building through stocks comes with time. For instance, Emma, another Gen Z investor, made her first stock purchase at 22. She chose a balanced portfolio and held on to her investments through market fluctuations. Fast forward 5 years, Emma's portfolio has grown, not because she tried to time the market, but because she stayed patient and consistent. Step 4. The power of dollar cost averaging, DCA. This is a strategy where you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of the stock price. For example, Noah decides to invest $200 every month in a broad market ETF, whether the market is up or down. Over time, this strategy helps smooth out the highs and lows, lowering the risk of buying at a market peak. It's an easy, effective way to start investing without the need to predict what will happen next. Step 5. Avoid emotional investing. The market is full of ups and downs, but it's important to keep emotions in check. Take Isabella. When the market dips, it's natural to panic, but making decisions based on fear or greed can derail your investment plan. Stick to your strategy, and remember that patience is one of your best assets. One thing you can do is track your portfolio with an app like Robinhood, which lets you monitor stock performance in real time. Or if you want more in-depth analysis, platforms like E-Trade or Fidelity offer a wide range of tools to make more informed decisions. Finally, step 6, start small. Think big. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. If you only have $50, that's still a good start. Benjamin, a 23-year-old recent graduate, invested his first $100 into an index fund that tracks the S&P 500. Today, he's up 15%, and that's the power of compounding. So what's the first step you'll take toward building your stock portfolio? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your plans. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another deep dive into financial wisdom. If you like what we do here, we think you'll find the next video on screen helpful as you build your financial future. Thanks for watching, and here's to making smart moves in your investing journey.